Hello and welcome, Greg here from Wrexham Volkswagen, wanting to share with you today this brand new Volkswagen Polo that is now available to purchase. This Volkswagen Polo is available in the life trim and finished here with this vibrant violet metallic colour that is definitely guaranteed to turn heads. Powered by a 1-litre 80 PS engine with a manual gearbox, it supports full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as optionally upgraded 16-inch Torsby black diamond alloys. Full LED taillights are available in the rear, and a more than practical boot space for your weekly shopping and suitcases for those weekends away. The boot floor is also variable to create even more space. Inside the cabin, ceramic titanium black upholstery can be found with two Isofix child anchor points, and even passengers in the back can enjoy their own USB Type-C connectors. Decorative door and dash inserts will be available, as well as more pronounced front seats offering additional side bolster supports. The driver can operate this leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, capable of controlling most functions when on the move. The 8-inch digital cockpit up ahead will allow you to change the look of both the left and the right tiles, but you can change the look of the screen altogether, displaying a round speedometer, ref counter with a digital speed always available in the center. Moving over to the center console, 8-inch composition media system also features and supports gesture control. It has shortcuts on either side for better convenience and supports the likes of FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs such as those on the screen. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and although SatNav is an optional extra, you can always make use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Car settings will also allow you to optimize various functions of this Polo, and also sound system is fully adaptive to suit the music fans amongst you. The safety systems I mentioned earlier will also benefit from lane departure warning as well as city emergency braking to protect you and your occupants. Helping you park are front and rear audible and visual parking sensors with an easy to use air conditioning system on offer. There is also storage for your device as well.